Hello everyone, welcome to our channel today. We bring you a shocking defense update that could change the balance of military power in the Middle East forever. Israel, already famous for cutting-edge military technology, is reportedly testing new systems that seem almost like science fiction becoming reality. Experts are describing these tests as a game-changing defense breakthrough, featuring advanced AI-driven drones, laser interception systems, and futuristic surveillance networks. What makes this development alarming to Israel's neighbors is not just the technology itself, but how rapidly it can detect and neutralize threats before they even escalate. Imagine a country capable of intercepting multiple missile attacks, monitoring every movement in real time, and deploying autonomous drones with surgical precision, all simultaneously. While the full scope of these experiments is classified, leaked information suggests these systems are already demonstrating unprecedented efficiency and reliability. The implications are immense: strategic superiority, regional deterrence, and a significant shift in modern warfare dynamics. Today, we will break down the details of Israel's latest defense innovations, explore the technologies behind them, and analyze how these experiments could redefine military strategy globally. Strap in, because this is more than just a military update, it's a glimpse into the future of warfare. Israel has long been a global pioneer in drone technology, but the latest generation of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, is unlike anything previously seen. These new drones reportedly operate autonomously, relying on advanced artificial intelligence for navigation, threat detection, and mission execution. Unlike traditional UAVs, which require constant human oversight, these models can patrol borders, analyze terrain, identify suspicious activity, and even neutralize potential threats with pinpoint accuracy. Integrated AI allows drones to learn from previous encounters, improving their performance over time. Some models are designed to coordinate with other drones, creating swarms capable of executing complex surveillance or strike missions. The real breakthrough lies in communication. These drones can relay data to command centers instantly, providing a real-time picture of the battlefield and allowing faster, smarter responses. This creates a multi-layered defense network where aerial, ground, and naval systems are interconnected. Analysts predict that such capabilities could redefine modern military operations, giving Israel a strategic advantage without the need for large troop deployments. The combination of speed, autonomy, and real-time intelligence makes these drones a highly efficient, low-risk solution for both border security and conflict deterrence, showing a clear shift toward predictive and proactive defense strategies. Israel's laser defense systems are another critical component of its latest military tests. These high-energy lasers are designed to intercept incoming threats such as missiles, rockets, and drones with near instantaneous precision. Unlike traditional missile interceptors, lasers do not require explosive payloads and have essentially unlimited firing capacity, limited only by power availability. Recent tests reportedly demonstrated the ability to neutralize multiple high-speed targets simultaneously, even under challenging weather conditions or electronic interference. Analysts are calling this a breakthrough because it allows defense systems to respond faster than human operators could, reducing response times from seconds to fractions of a second. The laser systems are also modular, meaning they can be installed on land, sea, or even mobile platforms, giving Israel flexibility in deployment. By integrating these lasers with AI and real-time radar detection, the entire defense network becomes highly efficient and predictive. The strategic implications are enormous. Potential attackers may be deterred by the high probability of failure, while civilians and infrastructure are better protected. This technology is not just experimental, it represents a tangible shift in how nations might approach air defense in the future, combining speed, accuracy, and sustainability in a way that was previously unimaginable. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of Israel's new defense approach. By analyzing massive amounts of real-time data from drones, radar systems, and sensors, AI algorithms can detect threats faster than any human operator. These algorithms prioritize targets based on threat level, predict movement patterns, and recommend the most effective countermeasures. The predictive nature of AI allows Israel's systems to act proactively, neutralizing potential attacks before they escalate. In practice, this could mean detecting a missile launch, calculating its trajectory, and deploying drones or lasers to intercept it, all within seconds. AI also enables autonomous decision-making in environments where communication may be disrupted, ensuring uninterrupted defense coverage. Additionally, these systems continuously learn from every engagement, improving accuracy and efficiency over time. The integration of AI extends beyond immediate threat response. It can optimize resource allocation, reduce operational costs, and improve coordination between military branches. Experts believe this approach could redefine the concept of modern warfare, moving from reactive defense to predictive, almost preemptive strategies. The combination of human oversight and AI-driven autonomy ensures that Israel maintains control while harnessing the full potential of advanced technology, creating a defense network that is intelligent, adaptive, and highly resilient against evolving threats. Israel's radar and detection capabilities have also received a significant upgrade. The latest radar arrays reportedly detect and track multiple targets simultaneously at unprecedented distances. Unlike older systems, these radars can operate under electronic warfare conditions, extreme weather, and even dense urban environments without losing accuracy. They are integrated with AI, allowing for automated threat assessment and coordination with drones, laser systems, and missile interceptors. This multi-layered detection network ensures that no potential threat goes unnoticed. Mobile radar units can be deployed in real time, providing flexible coverage along borders or in conflict zones. The ability to distinguish between real threats and false alarms drastically reduces unnecessary engagement and enhances operational efficiency. Analysts suggest that these detection systems could also serve civilian purposes, such as monitoring critical infrastructure and protecting densely populated areas from aerial attacks. By linking radar, AI, and autonomous weapons, Israel has created a synchronized defense grid that can react faster than conventional systems. The strategic advantage is clear: real-time situational awareness, rapid threat neutralization, and the ability to maintain security across land, air, and sea simultaneously. This combination positions Israel at the forefront of modern defense innovation. Israel's new military technologies are not limited to airspace. They extend to naval and coastal defense as well. Recent developments reportedly include autonomous surface drones capable of monitoring ports, offshore infrastructure, and maritime borders. These drones are equipped with sensors, AI-assisted navigation, and precision interceptors, allowing them to identify and neutralize potential threats quickly. By integrating naval sensors with aerial and land-based systems, Israel is creating a multi-dimensional defense network that covers air, land, and sea simultaneously. Autonomous naval systems reduce reliance on large crews, lowering operational risk while maintaining constant vigilance. Analysts speculate that these technologies could protect critical trade routes, prevent smuggling, and secure offshore energy facilities. When combined with advanced radar and AI integration, naval defense operations can be coordinated in real time, enabling rapid responses to both conventional and asymmetric threats. The emphasis on multi-layered, interconnected defense demonstrates Israel's commitment to protecting its entire territory, not just the airspace. Strategic control of coastal regions becomes more achievable while the risk of surprise attacks diminishes. By leveraging technology in this way, Israel sets a new standard for integrated defense operations where air, land, and sea forces act as a single, intelligent system capable of responding to threats faster than ever before. Israel's advancements in military technology have profound implications for regional security. Neighboring countries and global powers are closely monitoring these developments, assessing their impact on the balance of power in the Middle East. The combination of AI, autonomous drones, laser defenses, and advanced radar creates a near impenetrable shield, giving Israel a significant deterrence advantage. This level of preparedness may prevent conventional attacks, forcing adversaries to reconsider their strategies. Analysts warn that these technologies could spark a regional arms race, with neighboring countries seeking similar capabilities or countermeasures. The psychological effect alone, knowing that potential threats can be detected and neutralized instantly, may influence political decisions and conflict escalation. Moreover, the precision and efficiency of these systems reduce the risk of collateral damage, making military operations less destructive and more controlled. The strategic superiority gained from these technologies may also allow Israel to focus resources on other areas, including cyber defense, intelligence operations, and diplomacy. In essence, Israel's technological leap may redefine what is considered possible in modern warfare, shaping not only military doctrine but also regional political dynamics. The ripple effects could influence alliances, deterrent strategies, and the broader balance of power for years to come. Israel's latest defense trials have attracted attention from international observers and defense agencies worldwide. The US, European powers, and Asian nations are closely studying these advancements to understand their capabilities and implications. While many express admiration for Israel's innovation, there is also concern over how these technologies might shift military balances. Some countries may seek to collaborate with Israel, importing technology or sharing intelligence, while others may accelerate their own defense programs to counter potential threats. Analysts emphasize that AI-driven defense systems, autonomous drones, and precision laser interceptors could become benchmarks for modern military standards. These developments also raise ethical and strategic questions. How will autonomous systems make life or death decisions? What happens if AI miscalculates a target? Despite these questions, the overwhelming consensus is that Israel's capabilities represent a significant leap forward in defense technology. Nations without similar systems may need to reconsider traditional military strategies, focusing more on cyber warfare, electronic countermeasures, or advanced surveillance. Israel's experiments demonstrate that the future of military power lies not just in numbers or weapons, but in speed, intelligence, and interconnected systems capable of anticipating threats before they materialize. Looking ahead, Israel's technological breakthroughs could transform warfare strategies globally. The integration of AI, autonomous systems, and precision lasers enables faster decision-making, minimizes human risk, and increases operational efficiency. Military planners now envision defense systems that act predictively, neutralizing threats before they escalate. These capabilities could reduce casualties, protect civilians, and prevent infrastructure damage, shifting the focus from sheer firepower to smart, targeted defense. Autonomous drones, combined with real-time AI analysis, can perform surveillance, reconnaissance, and offensive missions without endangering soldiers. Laser interception systems can defend cities, military bases, and critical infrastructure against missile attacks, providing a layer of protection previously unimaginable. Analysts believe that nations will begin adopting similar technologies, emphasizing advanced AI, sensor integration, and autonomous response over traditional methods. Israel's approach serves as a blueprint for a future where military success depends on intelligence, precision, and rapid adaptability. The emphasis on predictive defense also influences non-military areas such as homeland security, border protection, and disaster response. As nations integrate these innovations, global military doctrine may shift dramatically, prioritizing technology-driven, automated systems capable of acting faster than human opponents can react. Israel's latest defense experiments illustrate a profound leap in military capability, blending AI, autonomous drones, laser systems, and advanced radar into an interconnected defense network. These technologies are not theoretical, they are being tested in real-world conditions, signaling a new era of warfare where predictive defense and autonomous operations dominate. The implications are vast. Israel gains strategic deterrence, improved security and operational efficiency, while neighboring nations and global powers must adapt to this new reality. The combination of precision, speed, and intelligence makes these systems a model for the future of defense worldwide. For civilians, these advancements may mean safer cities, reduced collateral damage, and improved protection against missile attacks or aerial threats. From a military perspective, Israel's approach emphasizes the power of integration, intelligence, and automation over traditional brute force strategies. This technology-driven leap could redefine regional power dynamics and set global standards for modern defense. Stay informed about these groundbreaking developments. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts on Israel's technological advantage and hit the notification bell so you never miss a shocking defense story. The future of warfare is here, and it's unlike anything we've seen before.